asking them to switch back to the old way. Waiting.
Hello there, you guys. Yeah, you know, we're changing lives as we do every day here on the morning show. Today, one recipe at a time. Today, viewer Lakeisha Smart Penix says, I can't get my chicken noodle soup right for nothing in this world. Even in my Rachael Ray pots.
Oh, my little sweet
Wow, that's
Rachel
nice. That's nice when you've got the product.
She's going to do this fix your recipe thing. She's going to finally have her master the art of the chicken soup. Good to meet you, Lakeisha. Thanks for being here.
What a sweet smile she has, too.
I know.
Right? And what a cool name. Your middle name's Smart. You win every argument. I'm the smartest. Like, literally. Okay, so the way you start your chicken soup is with boneless, skinless chicken breast, and you chop it up. Is that correct?
That is correct.
Okay, that's the first problem we've got there. It's going to get tight and too dry. Chicken breast is lovely to pound out, marinate, and quick cook. In a soup, it's always going to be too dry. Is that what you're finding? The texture's weird, right? Okay, if you have time, what I want you to do is buy a whole chicken, one of the best bargains in the grocery store. It'll feed you a couple of meals. Put it in a pot with carrot, celery, onion. I put in a whole bulb of garlic, cut it in half, because garlic's good for your system. And I slice up a lemon, a little bunch of herbs or stems of herbs, a little bay, and black pepper. We have the recipe for it. You put that all in a pot. You bring it to a gentle boil and turn it to simmer. It cooks for 1 hour. Then you turn it off, and it cools completely. Now you've made poached chicken. Take the chicken out. You remove the skin and the bones, and you shred the meat. You'll have enough for soup and a whole other night's meal, like chicken tacos or chicken enchiladas or chicken pizza.
Like that.
Right. Then you strain your stock. You saute vegetables, carrot, celery, onion, leeks work, and I add parsnips. It's like a carrot with an attitude. A little bit of garlic goes in there, right? Now, if you don't have time to do that, buy 2 quarts of stock in a box, or chicken stock in a box, or when you make stock, freeze some, right?
Yes.
So either or, and bring home a rotisserie chicken. See, because now that's slow roasted, and it's got flavor and moisture, and you're still going to be able to remove the skin and the bones and get 2 meals out of it. Chicken salad, chicken pizza, chicken taco, yada yada, chicken quesadilla. So bring home a rotisserie and you stock in a box and just start with your sauteed veg, or if you have the time, make the poached chicken, okay? This one's good to go. This one, you would just take your rotisserie chicken, add it to your sweat vegetables over medium heat that you cook in butter or olive oil, whichever you prefer, and add your store-bought stock. Now, here's another great tip for chicken soup. Cook your rice or your egg noodles on the side. Don't put them in. They get mushy. So each time you heat a leftover, you put a little bit of pasta or a little bit of rice in the bowl, put the hot soup over, and you're good. You want rice or noodle?
Noodle.
Noodle. So we're going to drop this in because there's a lot of mouths to feed here. We're just going to use them all.
Can I ask, do you sell this already made so I don't have to do any of these steps? You must have a Rachael Ray chicken
guess I
soup, right?
should.
Yes.
I guess I should.
I will buy that.
All right. Now, here's another big finish, okay? You're going to love this. You're going to love this. My mama always finished soup with a little squirt of lemon juice, just brightens it up a bit, and a little sprinkle of dill and parsley. You like both, you said, right?
That's a nice combination.
Isn't that lovely?
That's a really nice
My mama knows everything. You try that, you see if you like it. It's going to be moist, delicious. Not that I'm putting words in her mouth, but I am.
Oh, no.
Oh, no.
She likes it.
I know the Heimlich maneuver. It's okay.
Yes, it's good. Yes, it is. Yes. You guys want some?
Give some to Robin.
Yes,
all right.
Robin doesn't like anything, so
Robin, we need to make you some doggy bags and boxes.
I know, I'm so terrible.
Send you home. I feel like you don't ever get good food.
Well, because I'm a terrible cook. I didn't even want to have you try and fix my recipe. There's no fixing anything I make, so I didn't want to do that.
You have to come visit us in the city. You spend the day with us in the kitchen.
A nightmare. Yes.
Well, we'll fix it. We'll fix it. Everybody can cook.
Thank
you like to eat, you can cook. Dean, you want some soup?
I'll take some, sure.
Right.
Isn't that good?
Yes. There you go.
Right? I love that trick of keeping the noodles on the side, too.
We are going to put Rachel's
like
recipe up on the website. And don't forget that Rachael Ray is on right after our morning show today.
We're neighbors.
At 10 o'clock, and she'll be back on the midday news also at 11 o'clock, and we're going to talk more food and fun and all that.
And
Rachel,
Rachel, what have you got coming up today and on Monday?
Today is a huge cooking competition. 4 young people from all over the country are cooking their way to culinary school. We're giving away $40,000 of scholarship money from our Yummo Foundation, and part of our proceeds from all of our products go to fund that. And Chef Curtis Stone is on as one of the judges.
Oh,
and
he's cute.
Oh, yeah, it's a great show. It's a lot of fun. He is cute. And then on Monday, and he's sweet, too.
Yeah.
And on Monday, we have a great story from right here in Chicago, a very special man named Levante, who's literally changing the lives of so many young people in Chicago. I won't ruin the story, but it's a must-see on Monday. It's a beautiful story. Beautiful story. And we have a big surprise for you. Very big surprise.
Thanks so much for being here. It's great to meet you finally.
Thank you for coming in.
Nice to have you, Lakeisha.
Thank you.
Changing lives one bowl at a time is what we're doing here.
So got the soup going on. Yes.
Mike, over to you.